We started the crossing to grow active land carers with journeys into conservation and sustainability. The crossing provides experience in learning how to design sustainably, how to do land care and be effective, how to get involved in purposeful conservation projects, how you can monitor animals and work out, what's there and understand the habitats that they need. We teach young people about Firewise landscapes, practical tasks that can make a difference and contribute to the running of a pretty special, sustainable, purposeful place. The crossing is an opportunity for young people to explore and to also understand. So learning all about navigation, off-track navigation included. It's not just somewhere where you walk down tracks all the time, you actually get to really get out there and into it. We've also had some young people who have been with us and developed a real passion for the environment and conservation, design, and they've gone on to have careers in conservation. That's pretty amazing as well.
I definitely would recommend it to other people. There's so many cool things here. I feel like I could stay here for years and never get bored and just keep learning and keep growing. And I think every little thing you do, even if it's just for an hour a day, it's making a difference. And so that feels really good. So I would recommend it to anyone who has the opportunity to come here and spend some time.
It's been heaps of fun. We learned to cook some very cool homemade recipes. You would definitely love the cooking. I think that itself is a reason to come.
This opportunity is really unique because I think nowadays people our age, my age, don't really get their hands dirty in nature and really understand what weather can do and what animals can do, and it's really important for us to know, and now I can take my new knowledge back home with me and hopefully live a more sustainable life back at home too. So I think I've definitely grown.